This one got blasted in this back corner. Pretty much all of this.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on it. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm hungry, success is the dinner, and greatness will come with the meals. Boy, I say come with the meals. Mean I get money to blow.
Alright, I have a Toyota Corolla here. This one got popped in the back and destroyed the rear body panel right in this area. Might be kind of hard to see, I've kind of pulled some of it out already, but it's pretty wadded up in here. So it's going to get a new back panel. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start getting this rear body panel cut off. Alright, I just about have this one all fit together. I'm going to check and make sure this trunk's sealing good. It looks like it is. Climb in here, and when I shut it, I check for daylight around where the seal is. And if you don't see any daylight, which I can see a little bit right here, so I'm going to tweak this taillight pocket just a little bit right here. Right in here, I'm going to tweak that out just a little bit. But it's really close. Looks good now. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one welded together. I have a fucking monster project here. This one got blasted in this back corner. We pretty much had to gut the interior because pretty much all of this on the inside and outside, this whole corner is going to get replaced. It's going to be a massive puzzle. I have tons of parts right here. It's part of the corner piece that goes inside of there. So I will get into the details of how all these parts go, how this puzzle goes together as it comes along. I'm going to first make a few pulls and roughly pull all this damage out, because anything else that might have shifted that's connected to the damaged parts could also be shifted. So you want to pull out the old damage first. If you don't, you end up having fitment problems whenever you start fitting all the new parts up. So I'm going to make a couple pulls on this, bring all this out, and then I will start cutting it apart. I'll be on this one for a while, so stay tuned. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to get a hold of this to grab it and pull it. I think I'm going to have to do multiple pulls. I'm going to have to get a hook in here or something and roughly start bringing it out. Then as it starts to come out, I'll be able to get some different grips on it in different ways. But being so smashed up, it's hard to even figure out how to grab it. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna cut a window in here. I might have to cut a couple windows just to get more access in order to get different ways to grab this thing. So I'm just gonna cut this chunk out right here. Alright, well I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start dissecting this some more. I'm going to get the quarter panel off and start cutting some of this out. I might have to make a couple more pulls once I get it opened up some more, but I'm going to start actually cutting it apart now.